How to fix Godaddy email login issues. Check your login credentials. Make sure you're using the right email address and password. If you're unsure, use the Forget Password option to reset your password. Clear the cache in your browser. Browser caches can occasionally create login troubles. Erase the history in your browser and try again. Deactivate browser extensions. Certain browser extensions may cause issues with email login. Remove any installed extensions, clean your cache, and try logging in again. Try it in another browser. If the following steps fail, try signing in with a different browser. Check for service disruptions. If none of the following procedures work, Godaddy may be experiencing a service outage. To confirm, visit their status page or contact customer service.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and activate bell icon for more updates.